What's the meaning of avidly? Avidly. Avidly.
Avidly. Avidly. The word avidly means to do something with great enthusiasm or interest. It is often used to describe a person who is deeply passionate about a particular activity or subject. When someone avidly engages in an activity, they do it eagerly and with great excitement. Avid behavior can lead to positive results, such as greater knowledge or skill in a particular area. However, it can also lead to negative consequences if the avid person becomes overly consumed by their passion and neglects other important aspects of their life.